Hello viewers, welcome to Indian culture. Hope all are fine and doing great. Today Indian culture came with an interesting topic.
Environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is defined as the contamination of the physical and biological components of the earth or atmosphere system to such an extent that normal environmental processes are adversely affected. Pollution is when harmful substances are added to the environment and then change it in a bad way. There are five kinds of pollution of the environment. 1. Water pollution. 2. Air pollution. 3. Noise pollution. 4. Soil pollution. And 5. Thermal pollution. Water pollution. It occurs when harmful substances, often chemicals or microorganisms, contaminate a stream, river, lake, ocean, or other bodies of water, degrading water quality. Air pollution. It is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Car emissions, chemicals from factories, dust, pollen may be suspended as particles. Ozone. A gas is a major part of air pollution in the cities. When ozone forms air pollutions, it's also called smog. Noise pollution. It is generally defined as regular exposure to elevated sound levels that may lead to adverse effects in humans or other living organisms. According to WHO, World Health Organization, sound levels less than 70 decibel are not damaging to living organisms. Soil pollution. Soil contamination or soil pollution as part of land degradation is caused by the presence of xenobiotics chemicals or other alteration in the natural soil environment. Thermal pollution. Thermal pollution is defined as a sudden increase or decrease in temperature of a natural body of water, which may be ocean, lake, river, or pond, by human influence. This normally occurs when a plant or facility takes in water from a natural resource and puts it back with an altered temperature. The ways to reduce pollution are:
1. Using public transport. 2. Turn off the lights when not in use. 3. Recycle and reuse. 4. No to plastic bags. 5. Reduction of fires, forest and smoking. 6. Use of fans instead of ACs. 7. Use filters for chimneys. 8. Avoid usage of crackers. 9. Avoid using of product when chemicals. 10. Last but not the least, plant and grow so many trees as possible.
Slogans on environmental pollution: keep calm and go green, plant a tree today, reduce, reuse, recycle.
Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Indian Culture. Thank you.
Keep calm and go green.